At least 2 are reported dead and more suspected in horrible flooding in Maryland over the weekend. It all happened quickly in Ellicott, Maryland, a historic and low-lying town in the northeast. Cars swept down the city streets, businesses and homes damaged and destroyed. Many are feared missing. As much as 6 to 10 inches of rain fell in just 2 hours at its heaviest. The river nearby overflowed its bounds and kept flowing. Rescue efforts continue as people search for some missing people in the community with wide concern for that problem.